In this video, I will be sharing with you the 6 altcoins I believe are about to explode in this next altcoin season that we're about to have very soon. If you'd like to find out what those are, then make sure you stick around to the end. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sarah, and on this channel I teach how to trade and invest in cryptocurrency. I talk about personal development and so much more. If you are interested in any of this topic, then feel free to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell to stay updated for my next video. By the way, I am not a financial advisor, so please do not consider this financial advice. All the information that I'm about to share with you on this video is all for entertainment purposes only, so still do your own research before you invest in any of this cryptocurrency. And if you don't know what to research when you're doing your own research, then make sure you check out this video that I made, which goes through all that stuff with you. For those who may not know what an altcoin is, an altcoin is basically any cryptocurrency that is not Bitcoin. And there are thousands of altcoins that exist in the cryptocurrency market right now. And there are many altcoins that tend to provide you with a better return on your investment compared to Bitcoin, because these altcoins usually have lower market cap and they're usually like very cheap for you to invest in. You can buy like thousands of these altcoins and you will be able to make a good return very quick. However, in order to make a lot of money with Bitcoin, you need to actually invest in a lot, because one Bitcoin right now is trading at around 43,700. So you can see, to make a lot of money with Bitcoin, it requires you to put in a lot of money in. But altcoins, you don't need to put that much money. You can invest just as little as like $100. If you find a really good altcoin, you just put $100 in that altcoin, it can really double or triple your money. So I've done a lot of research and I was able to find 6 altcoins that I believe is actually going to help you to double or even triple your money if you invest in these altcoins. I've bought some of these altcoins myself, and I thought it would be nice for me to come out here and share it with you guys, because hey, this is my goal with this channel, is to help you guys also to make money with cryptocurrency and achieve financial freedom. So if you're excited to know what these altcoins are, stick around to the end. I'm going to be sharing my screen with you guys to walk you through what these altcoins are and show you how you can buy these altcoins. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so the first coin on my list here is actually Matic. Matic is a really great project here. It's been trending for the past few weeks now. This coin is expected to reach $10 in this year 2022. So buying it right now would be very good, because you can easily double or triple your money with this coin. There's so many great and exciting news that is coming out from Matic, which is gonna really push the price up. And I've noticed as Bitcoin has been dipping this past few weeks, Matic hasn't been going down. Instead, it has been going up. So Matic is a really great project. A little bit of tokenomics for Matic here. It currently has a market cap of 16 billion. Circulating supply for Matic right now, it is currently 6 billion. And the total supply for Matic is 10 billion. So this coin will help you to gain a good return on your investment. Some of the exchanges that you can buy this coin Matic at includes Binance, there's Ethereum X, 8BTC. So all these exchanges here, these are all the exchanges that you can buy Matic from. There's also other exchanges that is not listed on here. I'll just tell you it. So there's crypto.com. You can get Matic on there, and you can also get Matic on gate.io. The next altcoin that's going to help you double or even triple your investment in this next altcoin season, I believe, is Sandbox. Sandbox is actually a metaverse game that is very popular right now. You can check it out here. This is their website. You know, They have so many people that are playing this game, and Sandbox has been trending just like Matic. It's been trending for the past few months now, and it has a lot of room to grow. Currently, it only has a market cap of 4 billion, which is not too high. Like, this coin can easily get to 20 million market cap. The supply of Sandbox is so low. Like, right now the circulating supply is less than a million. The circulating supply for Sandbox is only 920 million, which is very low. So it can easily bring this price of Sandbox really high. The highest that Sandbox has actually gone is $8. Okay, this is the highest that it has gone, and right now it is currently trading at $5.16. So just by looking at it, buying it at this price is actually good because it's gonna go back to that all-time high of $8. Once it does that, it's going to set a new all-time high, which is way above $10. So yeah, I recommend investing in Sandbox. It's a great project. Metaverse getting more and more popular. It's super early. So as the metaverse keeps growing, this Sandbox altcoin is going to increase in value by a lot. Here are some of the exchanges that you can buy Sandbox in. You can buy it on Binance, you can buy it on Gate.io, you can buy it on Bybit. It is also available on crypto.com. You can check out their website right there. You can go and check out their Twitter page. They have their Telegram channel right there. The next cryptocurrency on my list here is Decentraland. This is another metaverse game, and this coin has been also doing really good the past couple weeks here. It has a lot of room to grow. I believe that as the metaverse is growing, this coin is going to skyrocket. I've noticed that Mana has been following Sandbox. So whenever Sandbox is going down, Mana seems to go down. And whenever Sandbox starts going up, Mana suddenly just starts going up. And right now, Mana is only trading at $3.07. And this coin is expected to reach $10 in this year, 2022. So investing in this coin right now at this price is guaranteed going to help you to at least double or even triple your money. Mana currently has a market cap of 4 billion, circulating supply of over 1 million, and a total supply of 2 billion, which is actually not that high. Whenever it comes to investing in cryptocurrency, you want to invest in coins that have a low market cap and not too much supply. If a coin has those type of tokenomics, it almost guarantees that the coin is going to go up. But make sure though that the coin has a really solid project backed by it. Okay, so Mana, I believe, is going to do very good. And you can get Mana on Binance, you can get it on EtheroX, and you can also get Mana on crypto.com. And this is their website here. You can go and check that out. And also you can read the white paper right there. They also have a Twitter page, which you can go and check out as well. And the next cryptocurrency that will help you to double or even triple your money is UFO. UFO is another metaverse game that has not been out yet. Many of the crypto I've listed so far is all metaverse token, and this is because metaverse is still very early and is starting to grow, and the more the metaverse grows, the more many of these tokens are going to increase in value, right? So UFO right now is very cheap to buy, not because of the price but because of the market cap. If you look at the market cap, it currently only has 455 million market cap. That is so low. It has a lot of room to grow. The game also is not out yet, so imagine by the time the game comes out, this is going to bring the price up by a lot. If you only had enough money to invest in only one of the cryptocurrency I have shared with you here, I would recommend you invest in UFO because this will give you a way better return on your investment than all the other cryptos that I've shared with you so far. Because this coin, you can get so many of it with very, very little. You don't need to invest that much money to be able to get a high return with this cryptocurrency here. I find that Get.io is the best place to buy UFO. You can also go ahead and check out their website right here. They also have a Twitter page that you can check out. They have a Telegram channel. You can go and check that out as well. Next on my list is SoulChicks. SoulChicks is actually very, very new. It came out in December. And this is actually another game that was built on the Solana blockchain. And it is currently trading at 6 cents. Currently has a market cap of only 15 million. The current circulating supply is only 217 million. This is a great project to invest in. It's very, very early. Like, it just came out and there's so many things that they're planning on doing with this game. Like, it hasn't even come out yet, guys. Once this game comes out, this SoulChick is going to go to the moon. I strongly believe in this crypto here. It might become the next Axie Infinity. So watch out for this coin. Watch out for this coin. Some of the places that you can get this coin includes Get.io, eToro, Mex. This is a great project. I highly recommend that you invest in it. Last but not least, we have Crypto.com. The CRO token is a very good crypto to invest in. They're planning on doing so much already. Like they're going to be advertising on the Super Bowl, which is going to increase the price of this token by a lot. It is currently trading at 48 cents. And it currently has a market cap of 12 million. The supply is quite high, but I believe they have plans on burning those supplies, which is going to help decrease it and bring the price up. You can get this coin, of course, you guessed it, on Crypto.com. You can also get it on Coinbase. You can get it on HitBTC as well as eToro X. And there you have it, guys. These are all the list of the 6 cryptocurrency that I believe is about to explode. Trust my word on this. These cryptocurrency are going to explode. So I highly recommend that you invest in it. If you can invest in all of them, then I just recommend investing in one. Okay, just one of this cryptocurrency is going to help you to at least double or triple your money. For sure, for sure. As always, make sure you do your research, right? Because this is not financial advice. It's just for entertainment purposes. Always do your own research. If you don't know what kind of things to research, check out this video I made here. I walk you through some things that you can research on that will help you to decide whether crypto is a good investment or not. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed, I invite you to subscribe to the channel if you like to learn more on how to trade and invest in cryptocurrency. Have a wonderful day, guys.